Hi guys, you're on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Squirrel. Squirrel is a point trick card game of Karaganda and other cities of Kazakhstan. The game is using a deck of 32 or 28 cards. I am using the first amount, and the superiority of cards is identical to the one that is used in the card game scan, which means that in a regular non-trump suit, superiority of cards is 789, 789, 789, Queen 10, King Ace. In a trump suit, 789, Queen 10, King Ace, Jack of Diamonds, Jack of Hearts, Jack of Spades, and Jack of Clubs. In a deck of 28 cards, it's in a non-trump suit, 8-9, the Queen, King 10, Ace. In trump suit, 8-9, 8-9, Queen, King, 10, Ace, Jack of Diamonds, Jack of Hearts, Jack of Spades, and Jack of Clubs. The oh wait, no. The game is always played with four players that are divided into two teams of two players. So yeah. Objective. The object of Squirrel is getting 12 12 points in a game of multiple rounds, or getting 120 points in one round. That is the maximum amount that players that a team can possibly get in one round. So yeah. The deal. The dealer is by one of the but is chosen by players, and is giving every player 8 cards with one card at a time. After each player got After each player getting 8 cards, the deal ends and the gameplay begins. One of the players is putting the first card onto the surface, and each opponent must follow the suit. If they are not having the suit, then they must put any card of their choice. That situation is called pour the card off. The the player with the highest card wins the trick and starts. Oh wait, no. and is putting the and puts the next card. That situation is called heck the card off. And so yeah. Also, oh yeah, I forgot to say, jacks are permanent trumps, just like in scat. And in the first round, and clubs are always the first trump suit. In second round, the player, the teammate of previous owner, the previous Jack of Clubs owner, which is the player sitting in front of that player, is Um, that player is announcing the jumpsuit speed. In third round, left player, which is Demon in this case, is announcing the jumpsuit diamonds, and the right player in the fourth round, which is Cat in this case, is announcing the jumpsuit hearts. This process repeats after hearts. So yeah. Mm, so after each player losing every card, the the gameplay ends and the point counting begins. Points in this game are called eyes. So if I will say eyes, please don't please please do not um basically don't get me wrong with that. Okay, so yeah. The team will get one eye if they will get at least 61 point in the round. The team will get two eyes if they will get at least 91 point. The team will get 1 point if their opponent had a jack of clubs. If if both two teams go with 60 points, then they are getting plus 4 points or a multiplied amount. 4 points is for the amount to 12 points to win the game, not for the overall amount in the round. The the multiplied amount is basically for example 60. The players got 60 and then another 60 in the next round. Those amounts are multiplied, getting 120, which means that teams are getting 120 points. Well, hmm. Oh, there's also a variation where 120 points are giving 4 points instead of instead of giving the win for the team. Also forgot to say, players are sitting crosswise, just like this. A demon is the left player. Octopus is the front player. The 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 cat is the right player, and eh, I am the lower player. So yeah. Also um the the 120 points win is called naked win. So yeah. Also the 60 points. The situation where teams got 60 points is called X. Oh yeah, the value of cards in points. Sevens, eights, and nines are now giving points. Jacks are 2 points. Queens are 3 points. Kings are 4 points. Tens are 10 points, and aces are 11 points. So yeah. Also, sixes in this game. You might think that they are not used in this game, but they are. But there is actually a variation where they are used to show the progress of teams getting near the needed amount of points. Basically, sixes are slowly revealing based on based on the amount of points players are having. So yeah. What else can I say? Alright, I think I told you everything about this game. If I forgot something, you can tell me about that in the comments. and if I will remember something, I will tell you about that in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you now know how to play Squirrel, and I have nothing else to say, so goodbye.